If you are going to connect this wireless mic on a PC, then you will need these gadgets. Okay, this is the gadgets I have ordered from my local market. And this is Type-C female to the USB. We have to plug in that USB-C of the adapter here and connect the USB on the PC. Okay, this is one of the very nice, cool gadgets. Okay, now let's connect on PC and test the sound. I have connected this adapter to the C female and plug in on the USB port, and again find out the light is blinking. Now let's turn on the microphone from the by pressing 3 seconds power button. Yes, it has been turned on and connected successfully. Select this microphone USB audio 1.0. Click OK. Now this is the sound you are hearing from my laptop. Overall, I want to say that this is one of the very nice microphone given from the China.